Say hi. Say hi. Hey guys, welcome to Angie's Table. Today we're going to be making kimchi볶음밥, which is kimchi fried rice. Kimchi fried rice is something my sister and I used to cook up after school all the time. It was usually either that or ramen. Koreans always have kimchi in the fridge and we always have leftover rice. So my sister and I would come back, throw our backpacks off to the side and just make some kimchi볶음밥 and watch some Arthur. Is usually what we watch. So let's go and bring back old memories and do a little bit of fusion with something that's really popular in Korea, which is cheese corn. So let's go and take a look at what corn cheese. So let's go and take a look at what ingredients we'll need. So now we're gonna work on the corn cheese first, and it's really easy. We just put everything into a bowl, mix it, and set it aside, minus the cheese. We're saving that for last. First, we'll add the corn, sugar, mayo, and the onions, a pinch of salt, pinch of pepper. And now we just have to mix. So now we're gonna go ahead and start making the kimchi fried rice. You guys can either use some olive oil or some vegetable oil or anything else. Olive oil usually has like this distinct olive scent to it, so I wouldn't advise it. But if that's all you have, you guys can use that. Today I'm gonna be using vegetable oil. And now we're gonna add the green onions. And then the onions. So adding the green onions and the onions into the oil first enhance the flavor of the oil. And once they're cooked enough, add kimchi. And then the red pepper powder. And I'm gonna be adding the soy sauce in, then the sugar. So the sugar is something that I always like to add. It takes like some bitterness and this taste of kimchi and mellows it out. Now we're gonna turn the fire off and add the rice. So now that the rice is all done, we're gonna pack it tightly into a bowl to form a shape, and then we're gonna flip this onto a cast iron. Have to butter the pan. So I didn't even use all the butter, you just need a layer just enough for where the rice is gonna go. I don't know if this is a better idea. What do you think, Grace? Oh!
You got it? No?
No, I got it. Okay, ready? I think. No, I don't have it. I think this is gonna be a better idea. Okay, ready? Wish me luck. Ah! I did it! Time for the review. Ah, it's working. Yeah! So now that the rice is on, we're going to put the corn mixture all around it. Now we just cook it on the fire. So now I lowered the temp to low and we just let it cook. And that's how we make kimchi볶음밥. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If it's a little spicy, just adjust the level of the spiciness by putting in less kimchi or the red pepper powder. But I hope that the corn cheese kind of mellows everything out for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this as much as my sister and I did. So make sure to like and subscribe and comment below if you guys have any questions. And we'll see you guys again on our next video. Bye!